Hi, I'm Lance Caskey, and this is Midco.
Midco Customer Experience Centers are located throughout Midco's service area.
In our Customer Experience Centers, you'll find an opportunity to interact with all of our products and services, so things like Midco Internet, Midco Freestyle Wi-Fi, and cable TV services, including the TiVo cable boxes. The Customer Experience Center will offer you a distinct opportunity to interact with our employees face-to-face and get work orders scheduled if maybe you want to get an upgrade or an installation done on one of the products that interest you. Midco customer service can really be defined as treating others as we would wish to be treated. We listen to our customers, we ask questions, we try to find solutions that work for them. I would define the Midco experience as really making customer-based decisions, whether that's in our products or services, our business practices, or our daily work. Reaching more of our customers within our footprint that are a little more rural has been a big focus over the last couple of years. To do that, we're using a technology called fixed wireless. We use our fiber optic network to bring the services close to the area. Then we use wireless technology to deliver it from us to the customers' homes and businesses.
And with all the Midco services in your home, it's important to make your internet experience as efficient as possible.
Something to be aware of are things that we call network vampires. These are really things that ultimately suck the life out of your bandwidth. So when we talk about net vampires, we're really talking about all the things in your home that connect to the internet that consume bandwidth that you might not even think about. Understanding all of these different devices that are connected and what they're doing on your network is really important. To help you with that, we offer a solution through the Midco Freestyle Wi-Fi app that'll allow you to see all of the different connected devices on your network, and as well, you have the opportunity to control them. Also, as a result of all these connected devices is a really strong need to have wall-to-wall Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. And we do that through our Midco Freestyle Wi-Fi product. So over the last year, we delivered a new internet product called Midco Internet 500. This product offers another option for those that aren't quite ready to go to Midco Gig, but they still need that extra bandwidth.
Now, let's visit the Midco Operations Center to see how all Midco's services work together.
Our Network Operations Center is a group that is staffed 365 days a year. They monitor our over 9,800 miles of fiber optic network that we have throughout the Midwest. We're always looking to see what's happening on our network, and if there's something that needs to be fixed, they're the group that coordinates it. We also do a lot of work on our network proactively to make sure that things are working the way that they should so the services can get to your home successfully. Within our Operations Center, we have something called the Innovation Room that allows our employees to interact with the products and the services that we have, to really educate themselves and experience exactly what a customer would be experiencing within their home. What I'd like you to remember about Midco is that we're neighbors helping neighbors, and we'll always look to innovate for you. You can contact Midco by calling us 24/7. You can reach us through our website with chat. You can reach us through our app, social media, or you can come into one of our stores and visit us locally.